Okay, so it's recording. So we are having a burping contest.
Oh,
and
yes.
she just totally owned me. She just
very sexy burping contest.
Oh yeah, totally sexy one.
That girl
I did her.
totally has. Ow, you just pulled my hair.
Yeah, I did your hair and everything. Look at that. Look at it. It flows. It's blowing in the wind again.
My arm again.
Well, that's your own damn fault. For getting your hair stuck.
I know my bra is falling off.
Dude, the audience doesn't want to see that. Hello.
I know. You're kind of filming me out of nowhere. I am not ready here.
Okay, well, we are having a burping contest, are we not?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, like I was saying, she totally just owned me and burped, like, for, like, 3 seconds. She's like, oh! It was like...
It was sexy.
Yes, it was.
Sexual.
Yes, it was. It was orgasmic.
Oh, God.
Oh, God.
Oh, jeez. No. Okay, are we gonna burp or not?
I know, I'm trying.
Peepish.
I can't do it.
Burp and whatnot. I will burp first and then you burp. Okay, I'll go. So you film me burping and then I'll film you burping.
Okay, fine, sure.
Ready?
I'm gonna, like, throw up.
Come on, bitch. I'm gonna outdo you. You can't let me do that. Go already.
I can't do it. No. I can't do it. I don't know.
She's a chicken. She can't beat the master burper over here.
Maybe I'm just not that manly, huh?
Okay. I needed to text someone back.
Okay. Jeez, on her phone talking to her man.
I don't have a man. I am single. Thank you very much.
Hear that?
Yeah,
She's
that way.
single.
Oh, God. Yeah, don't like zoom into my chest area, please. Creepy. I think you did. You're like, no.
No.
Something. I am not a person. Okay. You want another one of my... Well, you know what? You couldn't get it out before.
I can't, because if I try to burp, I'm going to, like, try too hard and then, like, throw up, and that's not going to look pretty.
I doubt you want to see that. Many parts come out.
How do you, like, make yourself burp? How do you do that?
Because I am the master of the burp. I told you this already.
I can't do it.
Mini burp. It was so cute. Anyways, we're going to try to get her to burp. She's too chicken. She thinks she's going to throw up. I don't think so. You're doing it. They want to see it.
I don't
burp.
want to do it.
Burp, bitch. Thank you very much. Here she goes.
No.
On a stage,
No,
burping.
no.
Hello, Miss Shy. You need to burp before I throw you outside the window. That window, thank you very much. Right there. Right there. I will throw her out the window.
my room. People are going to, like, look us up.
Yeah, because they can see where you live on the inside. That makes sense. Yeah. She's a genius. Yeah, okay. She's going to burp for us now, hopefully.
No. Burp.
This is supposed to be a burping contest, and I am totally beasting on you.
Yes, you are beasting on me because you are a man. You are a
Oh,
man.
oh hell no. Do I look like a man? If you say yes, I will kill you.
No, she does not look like a man. She's gorgeous, and I just did her hair, but she doesn't need to do her hair. It's already, like...
No.
No. No. Yes.
No.
Yes. Okay, I just drank like half the can, and I'm still not...
Take it. I need a text.
You need to text because you are just so amazing, and you need to text everybody, especially when you're hanging out with your BFF. That's nice.
No, this is like something that comes with first. And it'll only be a second, I swear.
Okay. Alright. In the meantime, you can just stare at the Windex bottle.
Oh, I feel one come out.
Oh!
That was
Oh! No, that was weak.
Well, I didn't have any coke in me, bitch. Well, I can also drinking.
You film me drinking? God! Ew. Oh.
Don't be jealous of my master too.
I can feel one coming, but it's gonna be huge. I just don't burp that much.
No. But they don't want to see Windex.
I'm filming Windex.
Give me the damn phone.
That was weak. Okay. I felt it. It came like right here, but
I didn't even hear it.
I know. Because it was right... There you go. Bitch.
Oh!
Do it again, I dare you.
Okay, hold on, let me drink. You didn't tell me what I did. It's amazing.
Oh my God! Oh my... Oh my God! There's like something inside you crawling out of your mouth.
Master of the burp.
Oh my God. Okay, I think we're done with this because I cannot burp for crap. I can't do it. I can't even burp for money.
One more.
Okay, here she goes. Ready? Don't
We're
keep...
gonna finish the Coke and then we're gonna burp.
Oh, that's what you do?
I'm gonna let that one out.
Really?
Alright, hold on.
Ready?
Just rest.
There we go. Oh yeah.
That was the smallest burp I've ever seen.
There you go.
What the hell am I done? I have to drink the rest, dummy.
How was that? I just farted. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Okay.
Drink, bitch.
Drink it, bitch.
Drink it down. Eat your pizza. Oh, and on that note, we are ending it now. Bye. Bye. Random shot of pizza. Yeah.